usual ko na binibili. It's 248 for 375. And this is 500 grams for 372. So ito na lang ang kukunin natin. So ito yung prices ng kanilang mga rice. Ito yung price ng malagkit. Hello guys, so out and about na naman tayo, and I just came from the Asian shop and then pupunta tayo dito sa mall sa tabi, sa katabi, Sunshine Plaza, dahil may gusto akong bilhin dito. So yan, hindi masyadong busy dahil early pa tayo. It's just 11:45, so medyo early pa, mamaya pa yung school rush, so let's go. So we're back here again. I'm trying to find this. This is how big it is. So yes, they're not on sale. Not on sale. I was eyeing this one because it's on sale. Chicken. This is the smaller version. Alright, we're here in Bunnings guys, and sobrang struggle talaga ako pag magna-nose in na parking. Although meron namang space dyan sa kabila. Yan. Hirap talaga ako pag nose in. Mas comfortable ako kapag reverse parking. So let's go. Punta tayo sa loob. Gamitin natin yung hagdanan, and dito yung walkulator sa kabila. Dito tayo. Kaya hanapin natin yung garden aisle. Ayan. Sorry. Hinahanap ko na para sa succulents. Ayan. Wow. Ito lang yung kunin natin. Maliit lang naman. Konti lang naman ang ating succulents. Wow, ako ng blueberry. Some avocado. My channel. For some of you who don't know me yet, my name is April and this is the D's and O's. So today is my day off again. It's Tuesday, November 24, 2020, and it's just less than 2 months and this year will be over for all of us. So I was able to find time to go out and get some groceries, and so I'm gonna show you. We'll do a little bit of haul. All right, so I got these from the from Kohl's. Oops, sorry. But these ones I got from the Asian store. Oh, sana hindi nabasag yung aking balot. And I have these raw balot, uncooked balot. So I'm going to steam them or cook them later or whenever. And then I have this caldereta, century tuna. I also got this mung bean or munggo, and this one is from Kohl's as well, original corned beef. And over here I also went to Bunnings. It's like handyman or Ace Hardware sa atin. And this one I got for 90 cents. This one is for $1 something. And the husband has been asking me to get him this one. So I got him this too. I think it's $6 and something cents. And went to Bunnings because of this actually. Because I have some succulents that are already grown, so I have to transfer them. I already purchased this, but this one doesn't have any holes, so what I'm going to do is, that's why I purchased these. Hopefully it will fit there. And I have some coconut husk that I will put inside, and this one, and then so I can just tip over the remaining water and so it can be drained. So it's like that. I'm gonna leave it here. Still dusty because I wasn't able to clean them. I bought this toilet paper. It's just $10 for this whole lot. And I have some groceries here, which I'm gonna show you guys. Give me just a sec. So I got baby spinach. Inside, I got some cashew, dry roasted. I like putting this in my salads, and the husband loves it too. I got this yogurt. Got me some flaxseed, brown mushroom, milk, Ocean Spray Cranberry Classic. It's light and it's no sugar added. So if you look at the ingredients, it would only say 2.6 grams per 250 ml or 1 gram of sugar per 100 ml. Always check your label, guys. And I have some blueberries, this red onion, ginger. You know how much this cost me? $6. And Dettol soap. My avo. This bag, inside this bag is from Kmart. it didn't break anything. No, it didn't. Okay. Got this from Kmart. This is supposedly a compost bin or flip-top bin. Maybe it's multi-purpose. So what I'm gonna use this for is detergent powder. And I got this $4 or $5 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna be planting some succulents here. That's why I got this plastic. It will work. Hopefully it'll hold the succulent plants and I can just tip it over to drain the water. I have this burlap ribbon and this as well, leaf ribbon, so it has designs. My plan for these, I'm going to wrap it around my rattan lamp because it's, sorry, I have to move you. So when it's lit up, it's really bright and there's no adjustment for if you want to dim. That's why I had to find ways to cover, like maybe just this part. So i-cover natin to dito. Yung sa middle lang. I can either use this with the design or maybe 2 layers. So cover here and cover here as well. I have my glue gun and I can just remove it and or replace it with this. It depends on my mood. Okay. I also bought this, the shells. I am going to put it inside my hydro plant, which you cannot see. Right over there, the corner of my TV unit. It's just some design. I bought it for $2 or $3. I also got this because unfortunately with my rattan lamp, the cord is not really long. Also purchased this from a different shop, not from Kmart, because we ran out. Basically that's it for today. But my biggest purchase would be, ta-da! So this is my NutriBullet from Meyer. I'm very lucky because it's currently on sale and it will end on December 6th. I've always been wanting to buy NutriBullet, although I got me a blender last year. That's from Kmart. It's only $39, that one. But I'm planning to send it back home to my sister. The reason why I got this is because it's almost summer here. These are what I plan to do. You can also make some soup, and that's why I got flaxseed, I got strawberry, blueberry. You can also make nutty butters or nutty spreads with cashew. And also because I like ice cream. I eat ice cream a lot. And as you can see, I have these on my eyes. These are Santilasma. It's because if your cholesterol level is way high, which is mine is actually near borderline. I'm not even sure if it's with over the borderline na nga, but I'm trying my best to cut down on my dairy intake, which is really hard because I love I love dairy, I love ice cream, I love butters, I love everything. It all started when we it only started when we transferred here to Australia. Because ice cream here is a little bit cheap compared to the Philippines, and it's accessible. You have cheap Tuesdays, you have sales in grocery stores, in the markets. This is why I got it, and it developed like within 2 years that we were here, because I was always getting ice cream every Tuesday the first year that we were here, and the meat intake. So I'm trying my best to be healthy. Are my hauls for today, and I am going to do a review of this maybe after this video. That's why I got all my berries. I also have my bananas there, and I have some frozen bananas and strawberries from I don't know when. I think I can still use it. We can use it to just try this thing out. So see you guys, and thanks for coming with me. Bye. I was able to use my Dolmio bottle. This is a tomato or spaghetti sauce or bolognese sauce. So always recycle. Nagkasya siya. It's 500 grams. So kumasya siya dito sa Dolmio used bottle.